To open a Webull Brokerage account, start by visiting the Webull website or downloading the Webull mobile app from your device's app store. Once you have the app or access to the website, click on the option to sign up or create an account. You will need to provide your email address and create a password. Make sure to choose a strong password to keep your account secure. After entering your email and password, you will receive a verification email. Check your inbox for this email and follow the instructions to verify your account. Once your email is verified, return to the app or website and proceed to fill in the required personal information, including your name, address, social security number, and date of birth. This information is crucial for regulatory compliance and verifying your identity. Next, you will be asked about your employment status, investment experience, and financial situation. This step helps Webull understand your background and determine the types of investments that may be suitable for you. After completing this section, review the terms and conditions, and if you agree, proceed to submit your application. Once your application is submitted, Webull will review the information provided. This process typically takes a few minutes to a few business days. You will receive a confirmation once your account is approved. At that point, you can fund your account and start trading. Make sure to familiarize yourself with the platform and tools available to make the most of your investing experience.